I think she's drunk just by my 2 seconds of interacting with her.
Oh, she's over there going like this while she's talking to the partners.
On July 19, 2025, officers responded to reports of a hit-and-run involving multiple collisions and a driver who fled the scene after striking vehicles and a guardrail.
Hey, how's it going? Like, can I see that?
This is when we had her all blocked in after she had hit us a couple times.
Okay, dope, yeah.
This is about 5 minutes long, but this was when I had her. The cars had her all blocked in when he was on the phone. No, yeah, there you go.
Where did this all happen? On the road?
That was at 27th. He was on the phone with the department at the time, and we all had her blocked in. I started videoing her pretty much when she went halfway across the road.
So she backed up into you?
No, she was behind us, and she kept bumping us.
I mean, I'm just going to stop.
Which is why I'm like, why did she leave? There was nothing there.
There's no damage, but it was just a bump.
14, copy 428.
Who can I send this to? What's your number?
I'll give you my email.
Okay.
Juliet Uniform 2 84 Tango JU2 84T. And she hit anybody else?
She hit the guardrail over
but not another person.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
The cars all had her blocked in too, and she pulled out.
It's crazy how she took off like.
And then she hit a guardrail.
She jerked her car out from underneath the guardrail.
Where's the guardrail? It's
right
there?
at the end of the street.
Is it damaged?
Yeah.
His door can't
I heard it in my house, and I was 2 blocks away.
I'll grab it in a minute. I'm gonna have somebody else come out and get you guys information. I just gotta do this investigation. Okay.
Okay. 2 witnesses were both in this car?
Was he with you, sir?
I guess I do got a little damage.
Yellow shirt? Is he with you?
No.
I was on 35th and 16th. I was in my house, and gotta be on my doorbell camera. But I mean, I heard the bang. It was like such a hard hit. She hit the guardrail. I was like ran out of my house.
She hit the guardrail too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
She smashed the guardrail.
Yeah, that's how the front end
When
of the cars
that
all messed
happened, we were down at the other light, and that's when he was saying to your communications dispatch, we think cops have her because we saw the white car this way across that road.
And she's leaking fluid.
Perpendicular.
She's got to be leaking fluid.
Yeah. She definitely is. I smelled it as soon as she pulled off.
She couldn't even back in her driveway. I've got video of that too, her trying to turn into a driveway.
6-0, and then you saw her hit the guardrail.
I didn't see her hit the guardrail. I came out after she hit the guardrail, but I seen her jerk the car out. And
So you saw her pulling the car out from the
like
guardrail.
angled like this underneath the guardrail.
So after she hit it, you came out, you saw her in her car.
Yes.
And underneath the guardrail.
Yeah.
Guardrail, and then you saw her.
I originally seen him on the phone. I thought they might have gotten into an accident, but.
And then you saw her back out and come down here.
Yeah.
And then pull into that address.
She was struggling coming down the road too.
Okay.
Her car wasn't running right.
He did about
I was surprised it crunked. Like, the way it was
I
cranking,
have
I'm
her
like,
trying to turn in the driveway on video also. No, I didn't send it yet. I can
It almost
send
makes you feel like she has no insurance or doesn't have a valid driver's license.
No, I think she's drunk just by my 2 seconds of interacting with her.
Oh, she's over there going like this while she's talking to the partners. So.
What did you observe happen?
everything from her pulling off after hitting them.
So, she pulled off after hitting them, you saw?
Yes.
Okay.
Because they had her blocked in, and then the first car left, and she was able to squeeze by, and then she came down. She made a hard left turn. That's how she ran into that. And then I saw her get stuck because I pulled over to the side, tried to help her, but she wasn't trying to get help. She came down the road, back to her driveway.
So you're the one that you actually saw her hit the guardrail?
Yeah. I got it all on dash cam too.
Is there a way we can get a copy of that dash cam?
I can definitely.
Like if we give you an email or something like that, would you be able to send it to us?
I'm pretty sure it's an SD card in it.
Okay, perfect.
But yeah, if you go over there, you'll see her fluids and her underneath bumper.
Okay.
29 negative time to 2 for Charlie.
Thank you. I'll be back on one.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else in that house? No. Okay, why don't you tell me about what happened with the vehicle crash?
I guess I banged into her. I didn't even realize it.
So then why didn't you stop?
I did stop.
In your driveway you stopped?
No, I stopped prior to that.
And then what
she
happened?
told me not to stop and come back to my driveway. So.
She's told you to come back to your driveway? How would she know where your driveway is, ma'am? You're not making sense, Diana.
No, she told
See how
me.
unsteady she is on her feet?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Why don't we step outside? After you.
So where are you coming from?
Work.
Where you work at Cleveland Clinic?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a nurse there.
Did you just get off?
Yep.
Did you work overnight?
Yep. Day shift.
Okay. Oh, okay. All right.
So, you said day shift. What time did you get off work?
I get off at 7 to 7.
7 a.m. to 7 p.m.? Okay, what time do you think it is now?
It's not time to get off.
So if you just got off work and you work from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., how did you just get off work?
I just left work.
Uh-huh. So you just left even though...
They knew I was leaving though.
Why did you leave?
Because I wasn't feeling good.
Yeah.
I was vomiting.
Uh-huh.
I wasn't feeling good.
You seem a little intoxicated to me, Diana. I'm a little concerned about how much that you've had to drink. What is it that you're under the influence of right now?
Maybe I had vodka today.
Vodka?
Yeah.
How much vodka did you have?
Just one.
What time
Double
was
shot.
that?
10?
10 o'clock? While you were at work?
No.
Okay,
Before work.
You had it at 10 a.m. before you went to work at 7 a.m. That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's 10 to 10.
Okay, you said 7 to 7.
Well, it's 10 to 10.
Okay, so your shift is from 10 a.m. to
Yes,
10
ma'am.
p.m.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
just before going into work, you had a double shot of vodka,
'cause I was
which is
very
probably
anxious.
why you got sent
Very
home
anxious.
place, right?
Well, they didn't send me home. I just left.
Yeah, because you shouldn't be drunk at work.
No.
It's probably a really bad idea. You shouldn't be drunk behind the wheel either. You know, your pants are on backwards. Okay, so Diana, a question that I have for you. I noticed there's a prescription bottle on the floorboard of your vehicle.
Okay.
You mentioned anxiety.
Yes.
Do you take any
Big time.
medication for that?
Yes.
What is it that you take?
Adderall.
Okay, and Adderall
And
for
the rest-
anxiety?
Yep.
Okay, I guess I misunderstood. I didn't realize Adderall was taken for anxiety.
Well, it's for ADHD. So.
Okay, so, and then the lorazepam is for anxiety.
Yes.
Okay, so what time did you take your lorazepam?
It was very early in the morning, like 4:30.
What were you doing at up at 4:30 in the morning?
I wake up. That's what time I wake up.
You wake up at 4,
Yep.
so you can go to work at 10.
Yep.
Okay. And what about the Adderall? What time did you take your Adderall?
Same
At 4 o'clock in the morning?
Same time. Yeah.
And then just before 10 a.m. Did you show up to work on time today?
Absolutely.
And who did you check in with when you went to work?
Just clock in.
You have like a time clock or something?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And when you clocked in, what time was it?
10.
10 a.m.?
9:44.
Okay, so
To be
sometime before 9 o'clock or around 9 o'clock, you had a double shot of vodka? Is that what you
Well,
said?
that was way before.
Okay, well, you said,
Yeah.
okay, you're confusing me because you said it was at 11, but then I said,
Yeah,
well,
no,
wait a
but
minute, you went
Before I
to,
clocked in, though, it was way before that.
okay, so what, like when you took your medication?
It's like 8 o'clock
8 o'clock?
in the morning. Yeah.
When you took a double shot of vodka. What's going on that you're taking double shots of vodka at 8 o'clock in the morning?
Like I'm depressed.
Okay. I mean, here's the thing. What's your last name, Diana?
Just going unique.
15 Vero, our registered owner, first name Diana. Could you please add her to the call? Okay, so Diana, my question to you is, let's go ahead and step forward. Right there is fine. I don't need you standing in this hot sun.
Okay.
My question to you is, it seems to me like in order to be a nurse, which you said that you're a nurse,
I am. And I love my job.
right, in order to be a
Thank you very much.
you must have somewhat of
Stability.
your life together,
Yes,
right?
indeed.
But right now, me looking at you, you do not have it together, right? You're intoxicated. You're under the influence of pills that you shouldn't combine with
I don't take
alcohol.
pills.
Well, you do pills. You're just prescribe them,
Lorazepam.
right? And Adderall,
Right.
right? So lorazepam and Adderall,
You're right.
which you took
That's right.
today, and neither one of them are you supposed to mix with alcohol, but you did before you got in your car to drive to work. Then you struck a vehicle, right?
Correct.
And you left the scene of that vehicle, and then you struck several other things alongside of 16th Street just before 34th Avenue when you turned in here, because we have a second person who saw you hitting the barriers.
Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
It's okay.
That's.
I understand that
I
wasn't
haven't slept
intentional.
in like a couple of days.
So on top of the pills and the alcohol, there's also a lack of sleep.
I'm very lack of sleep.
Okay.
Okay, so real quick, okay, we have to do 2 different investigations here.
Okay.
One is a crash investigation. No criminal.
what?
Crash investigation.
Okay.
Okay. This is not a criminal investigation. This is a civil investigation because of the fact that you were in an accident.
Okay.
So what you tell me in this cannot be used in the sense of a criminal investigation. You understand that? Okay. So what happened with that blue car? Obviously, there's some damage to your car.
I don't know.
Did you rear end that car?
I don't recall that.
You don't recall? Okay. You've never seen that car before?
Nope.
You don't know what happened off 16th and 37th when they were trying, or 16th and 27th Avenue when they were trying to talk to you? No.
Never.
What about a guardrail? Did you touch a guardrail? Did you hit a guardrail?
No.
So you don't know.
Definitely not.
So how did your car?
Definitely not.
How did your car get like this?
Just parking in front of people.
No. How did it get all messed up?
Like parking in front of people. Like maybe I banged into somebody.
But that's more than banged in. That's some damage. You know what I mean? So you don't know how that happened?
Maybe at the hospital.
At the hospital? So you went to work, you came back, and you noticed that was there?
No, it wasn't there.
No? So
Definitely.
what you think it was, where did that happen then? I'm trying to figure out what that happened.
No, if I could tell you honestly, I would tell you.
All right, no worries whatsoever. I just gotta figure it
I
out.
don't want to be like a liar.
No, I get it. I'm just trying to figure out what happened to your car. All right, that's all.
I just don't want to go to fucking jail.
Okay, so now, crash investigation's over. Okay, you can't tell me much about the crash. Fine. Are you injured? Do you need medical
I
attention?
am not injured.
Okay, so next, changing hats. Okay, I am now doing a driving under the influence investigation. Okay, do you understand what that means? This is now a criminal investigation. Okay, so I have to do my job as a law enforcement officer and do a criminal investigation for you driving under the influence. Okay, so what that means is, are you willing to do standardized field sobriety exams? So you're willing to submit some exams to see if I feel comfortable with you behind the wheel? Okay. Do you have any medical impairments whatsoever?
I have hypertension.
Hypertension? Do you take medicine for hypertension?
Hypertension.
Do you take medicine for hypertension?
Yeah,
you
just
do?
one medicine.
You take one medicine? Are you on it right now?
Well, this morning.
Okay, but when was the last time you took it?
This morning.
This morning? Around what time?
9.
9? Okay. Besides those glasses, do you wear any other sort of glasses? What kind of glasses are these? Are these
Just
eye?
these.
I know, but are they like to see close or to
See close and
Just see close?
and far.
and far? Okay, so just normal glasses. Do you, what about your shoes? You comfortable with your shoes?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is my partner here is gonna angle her car and we're gonna go walk up in front of it. Okay. We're gonna do a series of standardized exercises. Okay, to see if your facilities are impaired or not. Okay. Does that sound good to you? Sure. All right. All right. So, like I explained to you before. Okay.
Good now?
No, hold on.
Okay.
Like I explained to you before, okay, that I am not changing the investigation from a crash investigation to a criminal investigation, okay? Are you still willing to do those exercises for me that I asked you to?
Sure.
Okay. So, thank you. So, are you wearing any glasses or contact besides the glasses that you have on you right now? No? Okay. First, I'm going to check your eyes, okay? So, let's get down to here to the shade so you can see. Why don't we stand right here and just face me?
You can leave them on.
Yeah, you can leave them on for now. Just stand at the end of that crack there and just feet together. Feet together. Feet together. Hands at your sides. Cool.
Okay,
All right.
Diana, I noticed that your shoe is untied, and I don't want that to be
tie
a
it?
problem. Let's go ahead and get your shoe tied.
Sorry. I got it. Thank you for checking.
I'm just going to check her eyes.
I got it.
I'm going to check her eyes and then we'll call it there.
Got it.
All right, Miss Diana. So,
Sorry.
can you look at the tip of this pen?
Yes.
Okay. Can you actually keep your glasses are a little dirty. Do you mind if I take them off for you?
Nope. I don't.
All right. Okay. So can you look at the tip of my pen? At the tip of my pen. Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only. Hey, I need you, like I asked you to do, I need you to keep your feet together and hands by your side. Okay. I need you to keep your feet together and your hands by your side. Okay. With your eyes and your eyes only, follow the tip of the pen. Okay. Do you understand what tip of the pen is?
Yes.
Can you touch the tip of the pen with your finger? Okay. Follow the tip of the pen. Okay. Okay, Diana, I need you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay, tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Diana, I need you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes open.
I'm trying.
Just your eyes, not your head. Okay. Feet together, hands to your side. Feet together, hands to your side. Can you stand feet together with your hands to your side? Yes. Thank you. Hands to your side. Thank you.
Wait. Sorry.
I don't even think
Okay,
I
go
can
ahead.
safely do this.
No.
I can do that. I can do
No,
it.
it's okay. We can move on to the next one. You're good. Okay. We're gonna try this one, okay? If we can't do this, we're just gonna move on to the next one, okay? So we're gonna do the walk and turn, okay? Just gonna try it.
Yep.
Okay. So place your left foot on the line. So this is gonna be a line. Can you see this line? Do you see this line?
Left line.
No. Do you see this line? First,
Yes,
answer me this. Do you
yes,
see this line?
yes.
You see it all the way back, there and forward? Okay. So you see the line. With your foot, place your left foot on the line. Okay. So we're gonna be saying left foot on the line. Okay. And then put your right heel against the toe of your left foot.
Line, right?
Yeah. And then put your right heel against. Put your right heel. Okay.
Sorry,
No, that's fine.
sorry.
I'll
That's
show
fine.
you.
Sure.
How about I show you how
I
to do
got
it?
it.
Watch
I got
her.
it.
So this foot, and then this foot directly in front, just like this, heel to toe, okay?
Can you do that?
Just one
Can you do
after
this?
the other.
No, we're not going to do that yet. I just need you to do what I'm doing right now. Can you do this?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead, do it. And just
And you gotta stay like that. Don't try to walk. Just stay like that.
stand in that position.
Okay, no worries. So I gotta read you something real quick, okay? So right now, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish one. Okay? Do you understand these rights have I read to you? If you don't understand them, do you want me to read them to you again?
What part?
No,
Yes.
hold on. I just gotta talk to you first, okay?
You're gonna be arrested.
Well, first I want to talk to you, okay? Before we go anywhere, I want to talk to you, okay? So I gotta read you this before.
Yeah. I mean, there's
So-
nothing wrong with telling her.
Okay.
She,
But
you're
then I'm
under
gonna be
arrest.
arrested right now.
Well, I need to talk to you first, okay?
Okay.
So that's why I need you to listen to me,
Okay.
You have the
Listen.
right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish one. Do you understand these? Okay. So, what did you have to drink today? How much did you have to drink? Hey, talk to me.
Two double shots.
Two double shots? Where did you get them
It's
from?
really not much.
Where did you get them from?
Walgreens.
Walgreens? Is it on the way from work? Okay, but you said you got off work at what time? 12? Okay, so first you told me 7, then you told me 11, now you told me 12.
It was 11 and then it was 12.
Okay, so you work a little bit
Then
overtime?
it was 10.
And then you stopped at Walgreens?
Told me it was 10 to 10.
Told me
And she
11.
got there and she
Okay,
left because she didn't
so
feel
did you take any other medication or no? It's just the double shots.
She actually does take medication, which we discussed earlier.
I don't want to take any
She takes
medication.
Okay.
lorazepam
Okay,
and Adderall, which she said she took around 4 o'clock in the morning.
okay, alright. Alright, so right now, Diana,
And then she said she had
you are getting arrested for driving under the
shots of
influence, okay?
vodka around
I wasn't
8 a.m.
driving.
Yes, you were. We have witnesses to put you there, okay? Right now you're getting arrested for driving under the influence. You understand that?
I don't.
4:14, 10:15.
Why am I getting
I'm going to take
arrested
her
though?
jewelry
Yeah,
off so we can not have to deal with this out at the gym.
10:15, Diana.
But I'm not. Why am I getting arrested when I wasn't even driving?
You
Where
were
do you
driving,
want,
ma'am.
Where do you want your
But I wasn't even
necklace and
driving.
your ID?
I wasn't even driving.
That's what she was trying to do.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you
I wasn't
BTO?
trying to drive.
Are you okay?
I wasn't trying to drive.
We're gonna go with that little car there.
When located, the driver admitted to consuming vodka and prescription medications before driving. This case examines DUI investigation procedures and constitutional compliance. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers may conduct investigatory stops when they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, multiple witness accounts of hit and run created reasonable suspicion. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause for arrest. Probable cause exists when facts and circumstances would lead a reasonable officer to believe a crime has been committed. In this investigation, probable cause was established through witness testimony, video evidence, physical damage, and the driver's own admissions. The driver provides contradictory statements about when she left work, first stating 7 p.m., then 11 a.m., finally 12 noon. These inconsistencies indicate impairment. Importantly, Miranda warnings are not required during initial investigatory questioning. Officers may ask basic questions during a detention without reading rights. The driver voluntarily admits to consuming 2 double shots of vodka purchased from Walgreens after work. This represents approximately 4 standard drinks of hard liquor. Under DUI statutes in all 50 states, driving under the influence includes impairment by any substance, alcohol, illegal drugs, or prescription medications. The driver is taking Klonopin, a benzodiazepine, and Adderall, a stimulant. Both medications carry warnings against operating vehicles and consuming alcohol. Combining alcohol with benzodiazepines creates synergistic depression of the central nervous system, dramatically amplifying impairment beyond either substance alone. Standardized field sobriety tests are scientifically validated tools approved by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration for detecting impairment. The 3 standardized tests are horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand. Each must be administered according to NHTSA protocols to be valid. The officer demonstrates the walk and turn instructional stance, heel-to-toe position maintained while receiving instructions. The driver cannot maintain this basic position. Before custodial interrogation, Miranda v. Arizona requires officers to advise suspects of their right to remain silent, right to an attorney, and that statements can be used against them. The officer reads Miranda warnings completely. When the driver indicates confusion, he patiently rereads the entire warning. This demonstrates proper procedure. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, Miranda warnings are required for DUI suspects once formal arrest occurs or when detention becomes custodial interrogation. The driver's confusion about basic Miranda rights may itself constitute evidence of impairment, as these warnings are written for average comprehension. After waiving Miranda rights, the driver repeats her admission to consuming vodka. The officer confronts her about timeline contradictions, which she cannot resolve coherently. Hit-and-run laws in every state require drivers involved in accidents to stop immediately, remain at the scene, and exchange information with other parties. Witness testimony establishes that the driver not only fled, but actively rammed surrounding vehicles multiple times to escape when boxed in. This conduct constitutes separate criminal offenses: leaving the scene of an accident, failure to exchange information, and potentially assault with a vehicle. Circumstantial evidence can establish vehicle operation. Here, witnesses observed driving, the driver was in the driver's seat, and the vehicle is registered to her address. The driver's denial of driving only after being informed of arrest, despite never denying it during questioning, demonstrates consciousness of guilt. The officers collected comprehensive evidence. multiple witness statements, civilian video recordings, physical damage documentation, and the driver's own admissions. This systematic approach ensures the arrest is legally sound and evidence will withstand scrutiny under Fourth Amendment probable cause standards. Based on legal and tactical analysis, the responding officers receive a grade of A- for professional investigation with proper constitutional procedures. Minor deductions for slightly rushed field sobriety test administration. Overall, they built a comprehensive, legally sound case. The driver receives a grade of F for driving while severely impaired, fleeing multiple collision scenes, providing false statements, and endangering public safety. Her combination of alcohol with prescription medications that explicitly prohibit driving demonstrates complete disregard for law and public safety. Key lessons from this case. First, never combine alcohol with prescription medications. The synergistic effects create severe impairment beyond individual substances. Second, fleeing an accident scene transforms a civil matter into criminal charges. Remaining at the scene is always the lawful choice. Third, inconsistent statements to police indicate impairment and damage credibility. A sober person can maintain a coherent timeline of basic facts. Fourth, proper Miranda administration requires ensuring the suspect understands their rights. Officers must clarify when confusion is indicated. Fifth, witness testimony and video evidence are powerful tools. Multiple independent accounts corroborating the same facts establish strong probable cause. Finally, systematic evidence collection and constitutional compliance protect both public safety and the integrity of criminal prosecution. This case demonstrates that DUI investigations require balancing individual rights with public safety through proper legal procedures and comprehensive evidence gathering. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.